Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a at-home facial. This is part of like my self-care routine. Honestly, y'all, the world has been so stressful. Y'all already know, okay? Y'all hit me up in my DMs and was telling me like, yo, I've been stressed. It's been crazy. It's just a lot to deal with right now. So I encourage everybody to sit down and just give yourself a facial. Just sit down, take extra time to wash your face. If you don't have all of these things, just wash your face for 2 more minutes than usual. Give your face a nice massage, get you some facial oils, and just, you know, pull out all the stops for yourself. I know it's kind of hard to like sit down and really like do self-care, because when I tell you this is taking me a long time, like I was supposed to have this video done, but girl, I ain't have time, okay? Like I'm busy, I got responsibilities, so I understand that it's hard to kind of sit down and just really have a, you know, day to yourself, but just take a couple hours and just, you know, take care of your skin. So today I will be showing you guys how I do my at-home facials, and I'm really excited because it gets me going. Like it's something about a facial that just really pushes me through, you know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys are subscribed, turn your post notifications, and follow your girl on Instagram at Kaila Kake. And let's go ahead and get into it, girl. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to give myself a facial, and this is probably my favorite part just because it really just feels like you're super treating yourself. Like you could do all this other stuff, but girl, the facial is really where it's at. It's so relaxing, so calming, so like, you know, me time, because it takes you longer, you know, than to just like wash your face regularly. I like to use this facial steamer, this bad boy right here. I got this off of Amazon like a while ago and I love it. So I basically just fill it up. It comes with a little cup. I lost it, so I just fill it up until you can kind of like see the water inside, and then I just let it run until the water runs out. That's basically what the instructions said when I first got it. And you just put this on. Maybe I should plug it in. Okay, so my face feels like all awake and stuff, and it just feels open. Like I don't know how to really explain it, but girl, get you a facial steamer because these joints is popping, okay? Like I don't know where I will be without a facial steamer for like my facial days. So now I'm gonna go into a mask, and I actually really love this TEAMI beauty mask. I showed you guys this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I really love it to just give me like a little brighten. I like their detox mask too. I think it's called detox. Yeah, detox mask. But yeah, I've been loving this mask. It just, I don't know, y'all, it literally makes you glow. Like glow, okay? So I'm gonna need me some of this because your girl has been feeling a little dull lately, so we gonna glow it on up. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and I don't know if I can see my forehead, but my forehead always shows like the glow because it's just, you know, real smooth. But look at that glow, even right here. That mask is the truth, y'all, okay? So if you're feeling dull, you feeling like your skin isn't glowy or anything, that mask will get you right, okay? I love that mask so much. So now I'm going to tone my skin, and I'm actually gonna test out this new toner that I picked up. So this is by The Ordinary, and it is a glycolic acid toning solution. So I'm gonna test this out. It's my first time. I just literally got it today, so I'm excited to test it out. I'm kind of in the middle of toners. Like I feel like I haven't found that toner for me, you know what I'm saying? I do have a natural one which I love, but I want to just find a toner as far as formulated products go, just to have, you know, something in both realms, like one natural skincare routine and one formulated product routine. And I'm gonna let that dry down, and then we're gonna get into moisturizing. So moisturizing is my favorite part because it just like your skin just loves you when you moisturize. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can wash your face all you want and it be dry as a bone, but when you moisturize, you just feel like you come back to life. Ooh, I kind of like that toner. Okay, so now onto my oils. So y'all know I am a oil girl. I love oils in my skincare routine, and I actually used to have oily skin, but now I don't because I started using oils. Okay, sounds so crazy because I used to stay away from oils. I would never touch an oil. I didn't want no oils in my face. I used to not even moisturize because I had oily skin, so I'm like, it'll be moisturized in like 2 seconds, it's okay. But ever since I started oil cleansing and then using oils to moisturize, I no longer have oily skin. I do still oil up a little bit in here, but when I tell you my skin used to be oily, like an oil slick, like an oil spill. So y'all know I've been loving the TEAMI repair oil. So this is actually my second bottle. I'm hype. I got me a new bottle, y'all. I love this stuff. This stuff is so bomb. Okay, it just feels so good on my skin. Just when I wake up in the morning, because I always do my facials at night, when I wake up in the morning, my skin be looking good. Okay, it be looking all like I woke up like this, like real flawless, real smooth, real moisturized, just ready for the next day. So I highly recommend the TEAMI repair oil. But since I've already showed you guys that, I'm going to be using the glow oil. So I actually just got this from them, and I've never used this before. So I'm going to be doing the TEAMI glow oil. So I have used this a few times, so when I say a little goes a long way, like I'm going to have this bottle for forever. Okay, forever. Oils, a little bit goes a long way. That's why I love how they give you this really, really big bottle, because you'll be set for life pretty much. But let me read the box really quick. I tried to keep it looking pretty for y'all, but let me break down some of the ingredients. So the white tea extract is high in antioxidants and anti-aging properties. Girl, we trying to stay young forever, okay? Also, the cinnamon bark helps to get rid of acne and pimples on the face and body, so you can use this on your body as well. Me personally, I suffer with acne sometimes. It used to be super bad back when I was younger, but I still get like 1 or 2 here and there, so I can go ahead and snatch this on my back. All right, so I'm just going to take, I like their little dropper. I've never seen a dropper like this. I'm literally just going to put a little on my face, because like I said, a little goes a long way. Like I literally put 1 drop and it's covered pretty much my whole face. I'm gonna do one for my forehead. I know that's a whole nother planet up there. So you can buy these separately, or you can buy them in a trio and try them all together. I layer my oils. Y'all can actually, you know what, let's go ahead and put the repair on right with it, because why not just get both? So this has chamomile, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is actually something that I use anyways, so it's glad to know that I have like a bunch of other oils in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna massage my face with this facial roller, and it's really just gonna push those oils in and also just give my face a good old massage. Like when I tell you, this feels amazing, and when you pop it in the fridge, okay, it's literally like ultimate spa vibes. Like you literally have the spa at home. So yeah, I've been liking this. It just feels like very, very luxury, like you're literally at a spa, but you're just in your bathroom. And it's dual ended, so you can like get all up in those smaller areas and just push that oil in, give your face a nice little massage. I recommend put it in the fridge though, because when I tell you, like it literally feels like you're at a spa. Okay, go get you one, girl. You can also use ice cubes. I've seen people use those, but I kind of like this better because 1, it's not melting in your fingers, and number 2, you just kind of have like more control over it. Also, I feel like I'm kind of like waking my face up and just getting the blood pumping, the blood flowing, just everything in there moving, okay? Because we need our face to rejuvenate and get rid of these scars, you know. Give myself a massage, and don't forget the neck. My neck, I'm always so freaking tense from just, you know, work and all of that. So it's right here. Whew, work out them kinks, girl. Okay, so I'm done with this, and honestly I feel like it pushed all the excess oil into my skin as well, because if you don't know, with skin oils, like, it's not going to absorb everything you put on your skin unless you don't put enough. But if you put more, you're gonna have excess on your skin because your skin only absorbs but so much. So I put on the glow oil and then decided to put on the repair oil. So clearly I had a lot of oil on my face, and I feel like this actually helped push it in because I don't feel like I have too much excess on my skin. Just on my forehead here, but around my cheeks and stuff, like where I was really focusing at, it's not that much excess. So I kind of like this. So yes, even with oils and stuff, I still do a regular moisturizer. So I'm just gonna put on this one right here, just a regular like cream moisturizer. And this is pretty much how I'm, ooh, I put too much. This is pretty much how I'm gonna finish it off, just so everything is like locked and sealed in. Ugh, this is amazing. So you guys, that's pretty much it for the skincare portion. Make sure you guys check out TEAMI. Y'all know I love me some TEAMI. I do have a discount code, so definitely check that out down below and get you some TEAMI items and treat yourself, okay? Because girl, it's time. We've been stressed, girl. We know the times. It's just, the world has been a hot mess, so it's about time to treat ourselves. So pick up some oils, also some of their masks too. I love their masks. The detox mask is bomb, okay? Bomb. And the beauty mask, girl. But the oils, girl, okay? So go ahead and pick you guys up some stuff, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Y'all, it's actually the next day. I'm not even going front. It's the next morning, and I just feel so rejuvenated. I feel ready for my day, girl. So I have a lot to do today, so I'm glad I did it yesterday, because today would have just been a no-go. But I found a little bit of time where I could just sit down and give myself a facial, so that's what we did. Definitely check out TEAMI, you guys. I love their facial oils. I love their mask. Their skincare is actually really, really good. So definitely check them out. I'll leave everything down in the description box for you guys to check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.